Mixing tip number 6 is stay curious, always educate yourself with different sources and learn from others. Try it out in your own mixes. Always take at least 1 hour of education every day, and you will get definitely better in whatever you're doing in your life. Here are some good learning sources, free and some totally worth the money. It's the Produce Like a Pro Academy. Number 1 point for modern producers. Really lovely people, a helping, lovely community, and learn a lot about mixing with Multitracks. Also, the Pro Mix Academy have fantastic courses that will help you quick to improve your mixes. One of the best free blogs is from Isotope also, and they have killer YouTube videos about mastering. Are you listening? From Waves, free webinars, free multi-tracks. There's a super cool series from Earthquaker Devices, Show Me Your Junk. Also, Martinez Argas, he has a super cool YouTube channel. No talking, lot of videos and great content.